front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app that's already on your device and tap on red button at the bottom. Then start recording. When you see this icon here, enabled or disabled, it just informs you about auto transcription. Mine is on, so I will show you in a second how it works. Either way, to pause or unpause your recording, click on red button, and to end it fully, select this square one. Now name your recording at the top and hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To manage it, you can either use those three dots on the right and access all of those options like delete, or you can click on it and manage all of those at the top right corner. Those ones about transcription. You can even generate summary, mine is too short though. This pen, which lets you edit your recording. For example, I want to trim this part, so I will do that and hit save to save my as a copy, for example. Those three dots, which are the same ones I just showed you, and all of those at the bottom, play, speed, and skip 3 seconds each way. Now, when it comes to any available settings of your recorder, click on those three lines at the top left corner and adjust them by hitting settings at the bottom. Here is where you can pick your transcription language, change quality of your recording, and more. When you finished, go back and create your recording, for example, now using transcription. Let's wait a second, click, tap on transcription here, and see it. Remember to be closer to your phone than I am right now. Either way, if you decided to delete any recordings, hold them and use this bin at the top. Then choose delete. If you deleted one by accident, use the same three lines, hit trash, and restore it by holding it and choosing this icon of an arrow. Then choose restore and go back to check it out here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!